fuck is going on here?
No.
Are you getting a tattoo from that spick? Oh, Nick, that thing is huge. Just whip it out. Right there. You ready for this, Crystal?
Don't get that on. Don't.
Just, come on.
No.
Just, okay, Carlos, are you fucking ready? Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. I'm sorry, it's just the light. It's not Snapchat. What are you doing over there, Kenny?
I'll give you a boot shot.
Oh! Yes! Yes, it's your fucking song! Yes! I hear it! Yeah. And we did the high five again. Kenny!
Oh, yeah.
I'm not even.
Round two.
Yeah.
Don't get your skin because that is like shit.
Kenny, what are you looking at? Carlos, do you mind doing this, or?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he thinks he's fast because he has flames on his arm.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah?
Fuck, I'm fast.
Yeah. Oh, now I gotta sit all fucking weird. Oh, fuck, Nick. We look like freaking Quatos from the movie.
Oh, yeah.
What up, Holmes? Oh, I added a chick, rack of roofing, redid the high five, and what else? Oh, yeah. I don't mind. Do you mind, Carlos?
Yeah, I don't even mind.
I don't even give a fuck.
That's hot.
Rack a bitch. Oh, I see how this is. Hey, damn it! Who the fuck are you?